Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I'd like to show you how to render with the wireframe, how to show the wireframe of your render. So sometimes some friends or some fans ask you, so if this render is really yours, so show us the wireframe. Okay, and to do that it's really simple, and in this video I'd like to show a content and let's review this content together. So to do that I select one of my scenes here. So I select the scene. So okay, this is my scene exactly here. This is the perspective view. Okay, so let's select camera number one. This is my camera number one. Okay, let's change here, then change to NVIDIA Iray to see the result. The idea now is to show the wireframe of my character. So to do that, I need to use a content from Daz Stores called Wireframe Render for Iray. It's created by an artist called Mike D, and it's really simple to use. So after download this content and import it to Daz Studio, you found it in scripts, then Mike D, then Wireframe Render for Iray. So you need just to select your character. So this content works just with characters, the basic character. So that means that this content is not working with the hair, for example, or with the clothes. So it's work with the basic model, just the Genesis 8 female, without hair, without any accessory, without clothes. Okay, so we select Genesis 8 female, then double click here. And here we have this little window. And here we have the choice if you like to render with the texture or render with no texture actually, or just the wireframe of your character. Then we have also the choice to select the parts of the body of your character. So for this case, for example, we select the first choice is the wireframe with the texture, with the basic texture. Okay, then, okay, so I select the torso. Torso means this part. Face, lips, okay. I select just the torso. I show you the example just with this part of her body. But you can keep all these parts, okay? Just I select torso. Just, and torso, okay, and arms. This part, all this part with arms. And okay, I select also the legs, okay. Three things. So now we go here to general settings, and there is something so important here. If you like to change the line thickness, so if you keep it 1, or you can make it so from 1 to 10, but for me I like to make it 1. Okay, then you just, if you like to select here the color of your wireframe, so let's make it something like that, white. So this color is for if you select option number 2, no texture. Okay, so you need here to give color for this no texture. So you make it like that or make it another color. But in our case, just we select the wireframe with the basic texture, so we don't need this option. Okay, so actually here one of the lines thickness and just make it something like white. Okay, just now I need to apply wireframe and wait for the results. Okay, now click OK, and I click here to viewport to see the results. So you can see here, guys, that now we have the wireframe of our torso and arms, and you can here see exactly also the legs, because we select the legs also. So you can see here that we have, I don't know why her breast looks like that. Okay, just here we need to see now how the wireframe look. And you can also select, for example, her face and all other parts of her body. And when you click render, you render with the wireframe. And this is important because sometimes when you create an artwork, you need to show for your fans or for your friends that this is my work and this is the wireframe and this is how I create it. Okay, so some artists do that and it's look pretty, it's look cool. And okay, so if you look for how to render with the wireframe, this is how to do that. And okay, so finally, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. And if you like it, if you think this video is helpful, don't forget please to like, comment, and to subscribe. And as always, if you like to get better result for your skin, you can enjoy the discount and get my light and my presets from my coffee shop. And I put links in the description for the wireframe for Iray and for my uh, content with a discount. So see you in the next video. Ciao.